is an easy game for beginners in Python. This code is a number guessing game where the user must guess a randomly generated number between 1 and 100 within a specified number of attempts. You start by importing the random module and using random.randint 1 to 100 to generate the target number, stored in the variable rand. Next, the user is asked to enter the number of attempts they want, which is stored as the trying variable. The program then initializes a tries counter at 0 to keep track of how many guesses the user has made. The main game loop runs as long as the user has remaining attempts, checking if tries is less than trying. Within the loop, the user enters their guess. If the guess matches rand, a congratulatory message is printed and the game ends. If the guess is incorrect, the program checks if it's too high or too low, and then informs the user accordingly. It increments the tries counter and shows how many attempts remain. If the user exhausts all their attempts without guessing the number, a final message reveals the correct answer.